Hello everyone, and welcome to Math Help with Miss McCarthy. This is the place for parents and teachers or any other adult who are working with students in grades 3 through 5, and I use your questions to help create these videos so that way we can all learn together. Before we get to today's question, I just want to thank you for being here, and the best way that you can help support me and this channel is to tap the like button, to share this content with other people, and even subscribe. That way you're the first to know when I release a new video. Doing so is a big help for me and my YouTube channel. That way I can continue to bring free content to you. Let's go ahead and get to today's question. So let me teach ya. Today we have a third grade question from Edmund in Orlando, Florida. Edmund actually wrote into me and let me know that his son, he's working with subtraction, really struggling with subtracting across zeros and also word problems. So I tried to whip up this word problem to hopefully be able to tackle both skills in one. So let's do it. A zoo has room for 8,000 animals in total. Right now, there are 1,765 animals living there. What's the difference? So what's the difference between the number of animals the zoo can hold and the number it has now? So we have a zoo. Let's say that this is the zoo right here. The zoo can hold 8,000 animals. But right now, there's only 1,765 animals. So that's only part of it. So right now we're only taking up a little bit of space. And so we want to know what the difference is between how much the zoo can hold versus the amount that's currently in there. So we're actually comparing these two values. And when we're doing that, when we're finding the difference, we are using the operation of subtraction. And with subtraction, we place our total on top and the other part that we know. Here, so we have 8,000 animals, and we know that 1,765 animals are there right now, but it can hold more. So what is that difference? Now let's go ahead and tackle subtraction across zeros. So what we do is we start in the ones place, okay? And we say 0 ones minus 5 ones, we need to regroup. So let's go into the tens place. But look, in the tens place, we also have a 0, so we can't regroup anything. In the hundreds place, we can't regroup anything, so we need to go all the way to the thousands. So we use the take one, give one. Take 1,000, give 1,000. So if I take 1,000, that becomes 7,000s. And I'm going to move that other 1,000, which is also 10 hundreds. So now we have 10 hundreds. So now I can regroup from the hundreds place. Take 100, that becomes a 900. Now we have 10 tens. Take 1, that becomes 9 tens. Give 1, that becomes 10 ones. So now we have regrouped all the way across, and now it makes it a lot more simple for us to subtract. So 10 ones minus 5 ones would be 5 ones. Moving to the tens column, 9 tens minus 6 tens is 3 tens. In the hundreds place, 9 hundreds minus 7 hundreds would be 200s, and 7,000s minus 1,000 would be 6,000. And because addition and subtraction are inverse operations, we can actually use addition to check this. So I'm going to take the difference that we have and see if this checks out. I will add 1,765. So if we take all the open animal spots and add it to what's already there, will we get 8,000 animals? Let's see. Yes, we do. So we know that this checks out, making this 6,235 animals. I hope that was helpful for you, Edmund, and everybody else watching that. And if you're looking for a next step for even more practice to make sure that your child or your students really lock in this skill of subtracting with zeros or word problems, I want to let you know that above there are 2 websites. So if you're a teacher, you would go to the website that says /teacher. If you're a parent, you would go to the one that says /family. When you go to one of those websites, you'll learn more about the membership options that I have. In the members area, I have a lot of videos tackling not only the skills in this video, but other 3rd grade skills in 4th grade and 5th grade too. So let me go ahead and show you, if you're looking for some next steps that you could take, some videos that could help you. So here's inside part of the members area. You can see that I have another video that's called Subtraction of Multi-Digit Numbers with printable student guides right there. And here's just a little peek at the video. That way you can see how we're marking up the text. If we keep scrolling, there's another video, and here's a little sneak peek inside of that video, again with the printable student guide there. And teachers, if you go with the gold plan, you'll also have access to my McCarthy Math 155 library. This is Unit 2 with adding and subtracting numbers, and you can see that we have even more subtracting videos here for extra practice. Edmund, thank you so much for submitting your question. And if you have a question, you can go to mccarthymathacademy.com/mathhelp, and you can just drop the details of what maybe your child is bringing home for homework if they're struggling with it, or if you're a teacher and you're like, I don't even know how to enter into teaching this next skill, I'm not sure, or my students aren't getting it, you can let me know what's going on at that website, and your question could be featured in an upcoming episode. That's it for this episode of Math Help with Miss McCarthy. I look forward to seeing you in an episode real soon.